Hey everybody, forgot to bring my coffee into our shot where we live in a world of box opening videos. We received the Worx Pegasus, coffee not included. Oh, that hits the spot. The Worx Pegasus workbench. Multifunction work table sawhorse. It comes with clamps that slide into slots on the tables, and you got these little doohickeys here called bench dogs. It's collapsible. It can hold wide sheet goods or small things, and apparently 300 pounds. It's 31 by 25, and it's got a bottom tray in here. So I'm going to try to open this box up, not look too clumsy, and let you know what's inside and give you a quick first impression. Now, since I'm not a professional box opening video guy, I'm going to open the Worx Pegasus my own way and try to do a reasonably good job. One thing I forgot to share before I open this up is sometimes when I have a box like this and it's heavy and it's awkward and there's nothing really to grab, hands get slippery. So what I do is I give it the old kung fu treatment. If anybody's ever seen that show, instead of using my hands, I grab it with my forearms like that. It's easier to get a bite on it and show you pictures of the product. It's easier to get a bite on it and feel like you're on an old TV show. Ugh. Okay, I'm going to say this box and all the apparatus, about 40 pounds maybe. So we got that. And we can unravel this packing material. I like to keep boxes intact when I can, so I have a place to throw these inside the box, then they just all go out on trash day. Okay. Really hard to manage all of that and do the box and do the talking and try to look at this camera from time to time. Okay. So here are the instructions that I've never seen. So I'm going to try to do this without any instructions and see what we find out. Clamp ends are wrapped in some styrofoam. That's pretty good. Keep them from getting all dinged up in transit. Now, let's see if I can do this in one try. I think I know what they want me to do here. I'm going to try not to pinch my fingers because I haven't done this yet. Oh yeah! That clicks into place. Jeez, is that it? Okay, the clamps sit nested in these little U-shaped clips right here. So these I can use. And how do they want you to do this? What does this look like? Okay, they integrate into the table like this, I think. Well, that might be more for another day because I don't know how these clamps are supposed to work, so I have to figure that out. Anyway, in the meantime, it says, yeah, I think I can do this. Stay with me for one more second. I swear it won't be super boring that much. This slots into here like this, and then you operate the clamp. There, it locks into the table right here. I'll show you really quickly. I can tell you right now, I already like this bench. How it comes out, I have no idea. But it locks in right there. Where's the other one? Nested under here. I'll pull this little piece of stuff off. I'll separate this out. Then I'll show you. That rides right in there. That goes into and onto that. And then this is going to sit right like that. spring-loaded. So there you have it. A quick peek, a quick look at the Worx. You've got the power Pegasus workbench. All right, I'm going to finish putting this together. I'm going to get some projects started. You guys rock. If you have any questions, tool, home improvement, or otherwise, hit us up. We love to answer them. We love to share your projects with you, and follow us on all the stuff. Facebook, Twitter, you know what it is. Everyone knows what it is. See you on the next go around.